Welcome back to another tutorial. So in that class we just gonna be learn about the magic wand tool and the lasso tools. Think you have done your design, you color on your design, but you want to change the some color without any click. So in one click you just can change your whole design color. So this is a really important class, and I think this not is heavy, so you will enjoy the class. And thank you so much, and please watch this video until the end. Let's jump to the computer screen. Hi there, and today we just gonna be learn about the lasso tool, lasso tools, and one of these magic wand tools. Magic wand tools, actually this working is a really on color. It's a, if you want to change a lot of color after working design, so this really helpful for you. So for example, let's do another demo with it. So I just take one shape and make it color red. Okay, and I just make it color red, and randomly I just take a shape, so I can make that color green and this color yellow, and many other color like that, many other kinds like that. Okay, now the main point is now I just feel I have to change the color of red. I want to change the red color to in a purple color. So what to do? If you want to select in like that, so that's really trouble for you. But in here is a really easy option that's called magic wand tools. So magic wand tools working like that. Just click it. Just click it. Which color you want to select it. So when you click the object you want to select it, so every color will be activated, every single vector will be activated like that. So like that you just activated it, and then you can change the color, what color you want to change like that. So this is the option of magic wand tools. So that's the shortcut form is Y. Okay, so in that how you can change any kind of color after your work done. So if your client revision, if you want done one design but you want to change the color, so this is really helpful for you. Okay, so then another option coming is that is lasso tool. So lasso tool will be just which one you wanna active that. Okay, the lasso tool work on which one was selected like that. Just draw freehand. So you want to choose that purple one, and the green one it will be selected. If you want to choose this yellow one, it will be activated. So this one it will be activated. So you see that this vector, this vector, and this vector, and that vector is activated like that. So in that how in lasso tool you just selected any kind of object in easily. So you can change the color also in like that. So you can change the color in here. So now that I wish the every problem is will be solved like that. So this is the magic wand tool, and this is how you can select it any kind of color you want to change it in that how. And in that lasso tools you will be activated or every color shape. So for example, in here I have a design, so it's a completely designed like that. So I want to change this heart shape red into different color. I want to change the red color. So like that I will use this magic wand tool and click the red part. So you see that every single red part will be activated like that. You see that? So now I want to change the color. So I just want to make it teal color. So you see that every color will be changes like that. So in that how you can after complete design, after coloring, you can change the any kind of color like that. So if you want to change the color, this color to this color, so you can change it easily. You see that in that how you can change the color anytime. So make this color dark. So this is the option. So in that software is not really important, but you have to learn it. But in future when you have done any design and you want to change the color, this is really helpful for you. Thank you. And thank you so much for watching this video. Until this time, please subscribe and thank you so much.